Has Android One come to an end? A question that has been circulating in the tech world recently. Android One, Google's ambitious program, was introduced back in 2014 with the primary aim to provide users with a pure Android experience, timely updates, and all this at a pocket-friendly price. The program was Google's solution to tackle issues like fragmentation and delayed updates in the Android ecosystem. It promised users a clean, stock Android experience, regular updates directly from Google, and budget-friendly smartphones. An attractive proposition, isn't it? Fast forward a few years, and the Android One landscape began to shift. Devices such as the Xiaomi Mi A series and Nokia's Android One phones started to gain traction among users. But as we all know, the smartphone market is as dynamic as it gets. Several manufacturers began to offer near-stock Android experiences on their own, leading to stiff competition for Android One. Moreover, there were reports of inconsistencies in update delivery and device availability under the Android One program. These reports started to raise eyebrows, questioning the reliability of the program. And then came the rumors about the possible discontinuation of Android One. As of now, Google has neither confirmed nor denied these rumors, leaving users and enthusiasts hanging in suspense. For those who embraced Android One for its simplicity and timely updates, the potential end could be a bitter pill to swallow. If true, this discontinuation could signal a shift in Google's strategy, or perhaps a response to changes in consumer preferences within the smartphone industry. While details are scarce, it's also possible that Google may introduce alternative programs or initiatives to address the perceived shortcomings of Android One. On the other hand, other manufacturers might seize this opportunity to step in and fill the gap left by Android One, offering their own solutions for a clean Android experience. In summary, the future of Android One is shrouded in uncertainty, with rumors swirling and no official word from Google. The end of Android One, if it comes to pass, could be seen as a positive or negative development, depending on how Google and other manufacturers navigate the ever-changing smartphone landscape. So that's all for today's video. If you found it informative or enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tech updates. For those who want more in-depth information, feel free to check out the links provided in the description. Until next time, this is signing off.